morning and welcome to Opelika Mobile Home Supply. Today we're going to show you how to replace the fill valve and the flapper in your toilet. For this project you'll need a replacement fill valve kit, a replacement flapper, and it's a good idea to go ahead and check the supply lines to see if they need to be replaced. You may also need an adjustable wrench to loosen up some of the bolts. To begin replacement, where the tank connects to the bowl, there should be a supply line with a shutoff valve. Turn the water off and go ahead and flush your toilet. Once you take the lid off your toilet, this is what you should see. Here's your fill valve, your refill tube, and attached to the rod is a flapper. We'll start by taking off the fill valve. At the base of the fill valve, there's a lock nut. Simply pull up on this nut to release the fill valve. At this point, the fill valve should just come right off. If your base is still good, you can replace the top part of the fill valve. If not, it'll need to be replaced as well. If you need to replace the fill valve base on your tank, go back to the supply line. Once again, make sure it's shut off and you have flushed the toilet. Bring a bucket because any residual water in the tank is going to leak out at this point. First, disconnect your supply line. Next, there's a lock nut at the base of the tank. You're going to need an adjustable wrench to get this off. Twist it off. And your base should lift up through the bottom. To replace the flapper in your toilet, first remove the chain from the flush lever. Next, at the base of the flapper, there are going to be two swivel points. These should just pop right off. And it should be able to be removed. To begin reinstallation, take the swivel points here and reattach them to the base. As before, they should just pop right in. Next, take your chain and reattach it to your flush lever. Now you can take and reinstall your new fill valve. Take your base and insert it through the hole in the bottom of your tank. Next, take your new lock nut and secure the base to the bottom of the tank. Hand tighten it and then use a wrench to turn it about another quarter of a turn. After it's secure, go ahead and reattach your supply line. Now that your fill valve base is attached, you can reattach the top part. Make sure your lock nut is in the up position and it should just slide down over the base. Adjust it to the water level needed in your tank and then push your lock nut down to secure it in place. Next, connect your refill tube. It should plug into the side of the fill valve kit and hang into your overflow. Keep in mind that this tube does not need to hang below the surface of the water as it will constantly siphon it off. Most of the repair kits we have come with a clip. You may need to adjust the length of your refill tube to fit the clip. Now that everything's been replaced, you can go ahead and turn your water back on at the shutoff valve. You want to adjust the fill valve kit to where the water is about 1 inch below the top of the overflow. Go ahead and flush your toilet, check for any leaks at the supply line, and make sure it fills up correctly. If you've got no leaks and your toilet fills up, you've correctly replaced your fill valve and your flapper. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you didn't, comment down below and tell us what we can fix. Also, check out our Facebook at Opelika Mobile Home Supply and our website www.opelikasupply.com. Thanks. Have a great day.